All right, as far as what I packed a lot. Okay, one guy in the hotel was making fun of me. He says that your suitcase is called a condo. All right, so anyway, it's Alaska. You have to pack for winter, summer, fall, spring, even though this is a summer cruise. Again, this cruise August 12th through the 19th. I did check the weather report before coming, and it keeps changing. So, Seattle was in the 50s. However, they say Alaska is going to be in the 70s. So, we'll see. Anyway, I got my furry little slippers. I got my pumps for, the business dress up. I have my sandals to just walk around anywhere. I have my hiking boots for the glaciers, and then I have my black sneakers for really the airport and things of that nature. Now, the other thing that I did buy, and I bought this on Shein. Oh, by the way, the pumps, I got that on Amazon, and the slippers I got from Amazon. The sandals I got from Alibaba. I don't remember where I got my boots from. And then the shoes I got from Skechers. As you can see, they're worn. So now we go over here. The other thing I wanted to mention that I did bring, which is in the other pocket, I don't feel like pulling it out. I bought shoe covers. They say it rains a lot in Alaska. So I plan on carrying the shoe covers in my purse in case it, all of a sudden rains on me. I'll put those bad boys up and it'll keep my sneakers dry. I can also put them over my boots as well. So I'm going to be good no matter what. Anyway, here goes. So I bought, let me move this out the way. I bought this 2-piece set from Shein. Since this is a business trip, it's business casual, but the thing is, you still have to dress and look modest. So anyway, I like this because it covers everything. It covers my stomach, so nobody can see how big it got. Not that, not most of the people, from what I can see, they don't know me anyway. And probably, well, the investors probably will see me, but the rest of the people on the cruise won't. And anyway, and then this is the bottom piece. I like 2-piece sets because it's easier for me to go to the bathroom. One piece you have to dress all the way down, when you're using the bathroom. And then this here, this is another set. The bottom is somewhere in my suitcase. But yeah, it's very pretty. It needs to be ironed, but it's gorgeous. Hey, one great thing about business trips that I just found out is that if you have to get your laundry done, your laundry is tax deductible. Doesn't mean it's free. It just means that you can deduct that expense. You have to combine it with the points and miles probably in order to get it for free. And then I have 2 sweaters. I know, pillage. But yes, I have 2 sweaters that I'm going to carry with me. Then this is my airport outfit. Okay, this is capri pants. It comes with pockets. And then this shirt has a peplum to it. And it also has pockets. It has breast pockets. That's why I love it so much, because I can keep my passport, my tickets, my purse there, and I don't have to worry if I fall asleep on the plane, because if they touch up there, I'm gonna know, right? Okay, so this is a hat. It's a hat, scarf, and glove set. Believe it or not, I did buy bring the gloves that match this. This is actually, I borrowed this. I stole it from my mom. Okay, so now these gloves I got from Shein. And the reason why I bought this in addition is because in case it gets cold, they say the glacier is a different temperature than the rest of Alaska. So I figured, well, while I'm there, get me gloves like this so that this way I don't have to take my gloves off in order to use the camera or my cell phone. See, the other gloves you have to. These you don't. I forgot what you call these type of gloves. But yeah, someone recommended them and I went ahead and got them. Alrighty. So now this is a raincoat that I bought. This is a zip up. This is the bag I'm going to actually wear when I'm in Alaska because it's waterproof. And again, since it rains a lot, I figured, get myself a waterproof bag. So here we have shirts. These shirts here are gym shirts. And I took about 4 of these. That's probably too much. But yeah, that's what I did. And then these are, I don't know if you want to say dressier shirts, but these are shirts that I'm not wearing in the gym, put it that way. Bought them a long time ago. Where? I don't remember. Okay, but yeah, that's it. This jacket, this is a reversible jacket, and it has fleece lining. So I figured if I wear the sweater and then I wear this on the glacier, this type of jacket on the glacier, I should be good to go, right? This here, this is from, it's a little night shirt, and I got it from Denise, which is a reasonable price store in my area. This, I didn't realize it was a little messy, but anyway, the dryer messed this up. But it's a pillowcase because typically when they give you pillows, it's cotton and hair don't always go together that well. This is another sweater that I bought. I got this also on Shein. So altogether, I have 3 sweaters that I bought. And then as far as shirts are concerned, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 shirts, the regular shirts, and then 4 of the gym shirts. This is my, it's another nightgown. I bring 2 because sometimes, especially if it's 7 days, you kind of sweat a little bit. So that's another reason why I brought 2 night outfits, not 1. This is a skirt, in case, like I said, it said 70 degrees, but I don't know if it's going to change. These are 2 Speedo gym shorts for me to wear. These are pants. 1, 2, and then the one I have on right now makes 3, right? And then, of course, as you know, I have the capri. This is another jacket. This is just a white jacket for when it gets a little cool and I feel like I need something to put on. I could also wear this white jacket underneath this brown fleece jacket, and I should also be warm as well. And so what's in here, I like to keep white, normally like to keep whites separate. I forgot to do that with this, and one of the colors from the other clothes messed this up, so now I have to get this washed. But yes, I brought that. This is a long sleeve black shirt, again, just in case the weather changes. And in here is my dressy dressy black dress that I got from Shein. And then here is a short set that I got from Alibaba and a white shirt. Let me open these up so that you can see. You really honestly, you're gonna see it, you'll get a better idea of what it looks like when you see it on me, as opposed to, you know, even when I pull it out of the bag. So I'm gonna just set this down for a moment while I open up the bag so that you guys can see. So yeah, this is the shorts. My mom says she doesn't like it. She says it looks like a curtain, but I love it. I think it's cute. And then we have this shirt here. This I bought in one of the beach stores on Virginia Beach. Yes. So that's what I have. You know, it's very important that when you're packing, especially for the cruise ship, some of the clothes that you have really need to be iron proof, because there's a lot of people on the ship and there's not enough staff. So yeah, this is the black dress that I'm going to be wearing. It's a simple black dress with the lace sleeves. It hits me a little bit below the knee. So it's not very long, even though it may look like it. But again, you're not going to really get the gist of it unless I put it on, which I probably will, and try and see if I can get somebody to take my pictures. Fortunately, we have our own photographer in the group. I am so happy about that, because this way I don't have to pay. And I did not pay for the photography packages. So yeah, that's pretty much the gist of what I bought on this cruise. The other stuff that you may see so far, I have an electric toothbrush, I have vitamins, probiotic, prebiotic, power adapter, soap, you know, toothpaste, toothbrush, things like that. I'll go over that maybe more in depth in another segment, because it's a lot. One could say, yeah, I packed enough for myself to live on for a lifetime. But yes, guys, that is the gist of it. Nothing too fancy, but nothing too outrageously cute, if you will, because it is a business trip and the goal is to learn real estate, or to learn different avenues and strategies of real estate. All right, peace out.